Namaskaram, welcome to the Sun Meditation class. In this class, we are going to discuss about Crown Chakra. I am your host, Dr. Himani Vashisht. Crown Chakra, as you can just imagine from the word crown. Crown means here. So Crown Chakra that lies here, we'll be discussing about the functions of Crown Chakra and the benefits of balancing this Crown Chakra. Crown chakra, which is also called Sahasrara chakra in the Sanskrit, name for the chakra located in the crown area of the skull. It is the seventh and the highest of the seven primary chakras. It is usually represented by color violet. This wheel or vortex of pranic energy or energy is said to be the center of one's spiritual connection to the divine, and yogic technique assert that it gives us the ability to experience a connection with God or the universal consciousness, meaning thousand petals. Sahasrara is so termed because this chakra is said to be in the form of a lotus with 1000 petals arranged in 20 layers. In some yogic teachings, Sahasrara is said to be located precisely 4 finger widths above the crown of the head, residing in the plane of truth and reality, believed to be the terminal point of Sushmana Nadi or the central energy channel. It is also described as being located within the crown of the head, especially the frontal area of the scalp. When the chakra is balanced, it enables spiritual growth and one experiences connection with the higher or universal consciousness. Also, one can feel deep serenity and joy because one is able to trust in the universe and live with gratitude and peace. In Kundalini Yoga, Sahasrara is seen as the place where the Kundalini Shakti merges with Shiva, or where the individual consciousness meets the divine. It is said that this chakra is the point where immortality can be found. This is because where Kundalini reaches the level of this chakra, illusions of oneself as an individual dissolves and one experiences samadhi or the pure bliss. The mantra associated with Sahasrara is Om, and chanting it is thought to be one of the ways to bring this chakra into balance. Another way to use violet gemstones or violet essential oils such as lavender, visualizing a blooming lotus during meditation, also thought to help us connect with the crown or Sahasrara chakra.